Have y'all seen this before? Watch. Okay. Right? You never know what you're going to see. Right? So the anticipation, the expectation of what this creature looked like, you don't know. Imagine it before I show it to you. I've never seen a creature like this before. Alright? We all made unique. We all different. And this creature God has put right here on this table that I've been dancing on to show me and to tell you guys how unique we really are. Because I ain't never seen this. And I'm going to show you something I just saw playing with them. Okay, y'all ready? What is that? What is that? No, for real. What is that? Somebody look it up and tell me for real. Like I'm so serious. I'm moving a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna sit down. Look. Oh. What is it doing? Look at them legs. They got flat legs. Look at that. What is that? What is that, y'all? Look at the back legs. Look at that thing. Look at them back legs. Watch this though. It got good sensory. Watch. Alright, I'm about to sneak up on it. Watch. Watch this. Look at what I noticed. Okay, my hand coming up closer to him. Okay, hold on. Let me zoom out because I don't want my hand to get too close. Uh-oh. Let me zoom out. Watch this. Okay, here go. Wait, hold on. Oh, my hand kind of big. Let me zoom out. Okay, here go my hand, right? Okay. So look, watch. Watch. Okay, you can't see I don't want my hand to get too close to it. But it's responding to my hands. You can't see my hand right here. You see it? Do you see that? Oh! Okay. I think I'm gonna leave this little thing alone. But what is that? What are you? What are you? What are you? What is that for real?